everybody has a unique journey. Everybody has their own emotions and thoughts and feelings around whatever is happening with them. So just sitting there and listening, letting people get it out, because in addition to that, many people don't know anybody else who's experiencing whatever it is that they are experiencing, right? Most of the time, you don't know too many people who are experiencing hair loss or have alopecia or any, those types of things. So you can't really go and say, hey, what's going on? What are you doing to handle this and get the support you need? Now, there are online communities and different places you can go to now, but in general, you just need someone to talk to and get it out. Just let it out. And that's what I'm there for at first. But once I understand what you're going through, how I can help, your challenges, then it's time to get to work. We need to work on that negative self-talk. We need to get rid of that identity, because all of us have an identity tied to our hair.